ever heard of Silicon Beach? Well, I'm Nicole Palangian with First Team Real Estate, and I want to tell you all about this amazing community. The location is ideal, it's surrounded by so many of the tech companies, but not to mention where I'm standing. I am standing inside of my newest listing, 5350 Playa Vista, number 11. It is this gorgeous tri-level townhome with 2 bedrooms and 3 baths. But the best part is you get all the Playa Vista amenities and you're on the end unit. So it really feels like your own private residence.